Are you looking for a 3-bed home? If so, I think I've found the perfect one for you. This is number 5 Forest Park, and it is priced at just 115,000. So why is it perfect? Well, first of all, I'm going to tell you it actually does need some TLC. For instance, looking behind me, you can probably tell it needs complete new windows. But this home is a blank canvas for you. Come inside with me and I'm going to show you why this is a great property. What do you think so far? That lounge. It's a good sized lounge and I really love how it's bay fronted. I know it needs a carpet, I know it needs a lick of paint, but imagine what it could be like. This is the kitchen. As you can see, there is space to casually dine. And just to the left of me, there's actually a utility area. But in other homes, I've actually seen this as a second sitting room. The kitchen units are actually very modern, and we've got the gas combination boiler tucked away here, which has been serviced annually. Upstairs, there's 3 bedrooms. 2 are doubles, and of course you've got a good size 3rd bedroom with built-in storage over the stairs. And as expected, a 3-piece bathroom suite. But let's go outside to the garden. It's a great size plot and one of my favourite parts of the home. So this is the garden. Quite obvious really, isn't it? But what I love is actually the privacy. I've got mature hedging here, and to the side of me is actually open fields. This is the garden where there's space to sit out, dine al fresco, have a barbecue with friends, and even space to keep a garden shed without actually staring at it. Forest Park is actually a great value home. 115,000 done up, what's it worth? 140-ish? It also has a private parking space. If you're interested in this one, please be quick. Call us on 01524 843322 and we'll happily show you around.